In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email templates in Salesforce and effectively use merge fields to personalize your communication. Mastering this process will help ensure that your emails are both professional and highly relevant, enhancing engagement with your customers or colleagues. So let's dive right in. First off, we're going to navigate through the Salesforce interface to access the email templates. To do this, head over to the app launcher, which you can find by looking for the icon resembling a grid at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and in the search bar type in email templates. Once you see it listed in the search results, simply click on it to open the email template section. Now that you're in the right place, you'll need to create a new email template. Look for the button that says new email template on your screen and click on it. This will open up a new form where you'll begin creating your template. Let's start by filling in some crucial details. The first piece of information you'll encounter is the email template name. This is an internal name that's just for your reference, so make sure it's something that helps you easily identify what the template will be used for. Next, you have the description. In this field, you can jot down any additional details or notes about the template. This could be useful for anyone else who might be using or editing this template down the line. Moving on, we have the subject line. Now, here's a neat trick. Just like in the body of the email, you can insert merge fields into the subject line as well. This allows for a more personalized approach right from the get-go, making your email stand out in the recipient's inbox. Speaking of personalization, the email body is where you can really get creative. Type the main content of your message here, and don't forget to use those merge fields. Merge fields pull specific data from Salesforce records, adding a personal touch by including details like the recipient's name, their company, or any other relevant information you have stored. Before you wrap things up, you'll need to select a related entity type. This is essentially the category of data you want to pull merge fields from, such as contact or opportunity. Choosing this sets the parameters for which merge fields will be available to you as you personalize your email content. Finally, once you've entered all this information and set everything to your liking, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the form and click it. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new email template in Salesforce. You can now use it to send personalized, effective communication effortlessly. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to optimize your email outreach using Salesforce's email templates with merge fields. We hope this guide has empowered you to enhance your email strategies. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.